visit done for visiting sake. It's a visit that is meant to achieve purposes. Now, one of the purposes of coming here today is for you to put a face to my officers and for them to know you as well, so that we can exchange phone numbers, so that in case of emergency, in case of anything, or in case of even personal things, you can pick up your phone and know that you have phone numbers of important police officers. And at the same time, too, for us to pick our phones and know that, yes, we want to talk to the correctional services. I'm talking to very senior officers of the correctional service. So that's very important. So before we leave, ensure that we explain this framework. Challenges before us are very, very clear. We have challenges. Apart from the normal security situation of the country, we have challenges that are peculiar to our different organizations. Every day we live to the fear of jailbreak. We hear daily rumors, we get daily intelligence of a possible attack here, there, and everywhere. And I'm sure too, you'll be facing some of the things the police officers are facing, because daily officers are being attacked, injured everywhere. I'm sure you'll be getting some of this as well. And every day when we do our work, we think about it, because that is where usually every work we do will reside at the end of the day. We bring our suspects to you for various reasons, whether through court order or other means that we are all aware of. So we have been joined together. Yes, we have been joined together. We cannot disentangle the enormous job that we have to do together. So, because our jobs are very, very important, because we cannot sever our relationship, we need to talk to ourselves regularly. Not just ordinary talk, we need to share intelligence. Every information you hear is very important. There is no useless information. And you are in charge of bank upon bank of information. All these inmates there with you are banks and banks and banks of information. And then because it is only us here at this particular moment that can safely say that a lot of things still happen from the prison to the streets. So I want to use the opportunity to indulge you to do more, to stop that activity. I'm sure we all know what we're talking about. I know it's a difficult one for you as well. I know you prefer the prison environment to be peaceful. I'm sure you don't want to stir riots in the prison as well, because I know how dangerous it is. Even if water goes for 1 hour, that is enough trouble for you to think about. You start almost rioting immediately. So we need to share intelligence, we need to play together. I'm a policeman. I cannot claim that I know your job more than you. So I want to learn more about your job. I want to know how to make myself useful to you. When I say myself, I mean all my officers, trickling down to our junior officers. They should be able to know a little bit about what to do or what you want us to know, how we can be of assistance, and how to collaborate. So we need to train together, we need to share intelligence together. So most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, I want this to be a new chapter in our relationship, when I came with my officers to you to seek for better collaboration between us. A new chapter in our relationship, working together. A new chapter in making up our mind to ensure that we have a better country. Thank you so much for all you do. The Almighty God continue to be your guide.